So far, we've been working with user input by polling for it each frame. The other approach to user input is an event-based approach, where we ask to be notified when certain things happen. To do this in libgdx, we need to create an implementation of the InputProcessor interface and tell libgdx to send events our way. Let's check out how we've done that in this demo. We've now declared our bouncing ball class to extend input adapter. Input adapter, just like application adapter and screen adapter, is a convenience implementation of InputProcessor. One of the callback methods of InputProcessor is keyDown, which is called anytime a key is pressed. The argument is the key code of the key that was just pressed. In this case, we're just reusing that random kick function, and we'll fire it anytime the spacebar is pressed. The return value of all InputProcessor methods is a Boolean signifying whether the input event was handled. This becomes relevant when you're dealing with a more complex game where there might be multiple classes responding to input events. In this case, this is the only class that cares about input events, so we can go ahead and say that we dealt with the event. There's one more thing we need to do before this works, and that is we need to tell libgdx that this class is interested in receiving input events. The best place to do that is back in ball screen, where we use gdx import setInputProcessor, passing in our new ball object. Let's give this a try. So here's our ball again, and we can grow it and shrink it just like we could before, and we can also move it around just like we could before. But now, if we hit spacebar, it moves. And if we hold down spacebar, it doesn't continue to move. It only receives that event when the spacebar is initially pressed.